took a flight for the paddock. You said, babe, you're so dramatic, I guess. Anything you want, boy, forget it. You just make me feel. I took a chance and you grabbed it. You said, don't worry.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. My name is Kelsey Ray, and honestly this is why I don't do voiceovers, because my house is so loud. Not voiceovers, regular. Also my microphone is broken, so I have to hold her. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. My name is Kelsey Ray, and today, what is under this bonnet? Yeah, you already know what time it is. It's time to cook. Okay, so today I want to try the hairstyle everybody's been doing. Obviously most black people probably already done this hairstyle when they were little, but we're adults now and I love the style. It looks so cute. I don't even know what it is called. I used to call them half up, half down, like braids at the top and hair at the back. I don't know, but anywho, we're going to try this hairstyle. I do not braid my hair like that as a style, so I'm really curious to see if I can even do this, because it looked easy on TikTok, but I don't think it's gonna be easy. I also don't have the right braiding gel that I usually use, so we gotta work with what we got. We really do. So my hair has been blown out pretty decently well, nothing too crazy, blown out, and I just wanted to see what I could see. Okay, so let's jump right in and let's see what we can accomplish. What we looking like? Tell me the truth. Because if you think I should stop now, let me know right now. Okay. Let's just keep going. Let's just keep going. Alright, I'm about to go in my bathroom and actually try to see if I could save this hairstyle, and then I'll be right back. Okay, this is what we look like. But wait, don't click off this video 1 second. The big reveal. How does this look? Is she cute or no? Let me know. Tell me the truth. We're gonna come back. We're gonna try this again. Better products. Hopefully not with fingernails. She can go like up. Okay. She can go up. What do we think now? Well, this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below some tips and tricks because I need to get this hairstyle down pat. Like we need to figure this out.